practicing for the no tap. Alright, I'll start out with the DV8 maybe. Started off with the DV8. Oh, she flushed him. Twice in a row. Kind of move a little left. Playing no tap. They caught all of the balls. I love when the ball just stays down there and it's like, hey, I'm back. I'm back. Oop, oop. Tap it. Oh. Practicing for the no tap. Fortunately, there was no tap in there. They gave you it. Oh my God, they gave it to her. Whatever. Well, that was just straight up the left side. I was like, that didn't go as planned. No, I hit pretty straight. Almost got in the pocket. Yikes. Alright, I'm seeing how it's going. I gotta move. What do I gotta do here? Just gotta roll it. Oh, wow. That's what happens. no tap. I'm sitting at 162 in the 9. I don't think that's gonna do. I didn't mean that. What? Alright, let's see if I can run 3 in the 10 and get myself above 200. Slid it. That was very ugly looking, but it kicked it into there, and I was like, get out of here. This Heckler is not too shabby. I just have to learn what it likes. I like the layout though. That was a good one. I like that. That was a good spot to pick. To see if it holds that same spot. Yeah, I'd say it does. Cool. So let's see what the results are for Vicky and I's no tap, because I got the no tap tournament coming up and I want to practice. So here we go. There you go. As you can see, I came out in the end with the 4 strikes, 9 to the 10. Gave myself a 222. Nice little comeback.